fighting against drug abuse and building a brighter future for our communities. To a close, let us remember that the journey ahead will require dedication, perseverance, and collaboration.
Honorable Mr. Justice Amresh Kumar Singh, the Chief Justice of High Court of Tripura and Patron-in-Chief, Brother Justice Arindam Lod, distinguished guests, and invitees present physically, and all other judicial officers, and other stakeholders who have joined us virtually from different locations in Tripura. आज का दिन हमारे आमंत्रित पर सारा त्रिपुरा जुडिशरी, पुलिस, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और त्रिपुरा के आवाम और मीडिया आज हमारे तरफ ये मुक्ति से नो टू ड्रग्स ये प्रोग्राम लॉन्च पर आपने आपका कीमती समय दिया। हम हमारी तरफ से और त्रिपुरा स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेज की तरफ से हम आपको प्रणाम करते हैं। Better late than never। ये जो कहावत है, this we have been hearing and also at times we have started implementing. It is time for all of us to raise to the occasion and say no to drugs. In the entire country, I personally feel that Tripura is one of the most affected state because of its geographical structure, and it is surrounded by our neighboring country. Here, since everyone is aware about the side effects and the negative impact of narcotic drugs upon the human life and the family, here I came across certain incidences where not just drugs, but even HIV is spread in rampant because of this drug menace. Through the injection syringes which they share, without knowing the effect, the person gets infected, and the same is HIV spread to the spouse who is innocent, and also to the children and other family members. It is a time for opening our eyes, our vision, and just give a thinking. My appeal to the public, state legal services and the entire state machinery, even the state government has also launched its campaign against drugs recently. We have seen in the newspapers. So we are also, on behalf of judiciary and state legal services, we say to the armed army, we are with you. And my appeal to the police and judiciary to unite and be tough against these narcotics. Thank you.
Drug trafficking and drug abuse, especially amongst the youths, children and adolescents, has serious implications and it is adversely affecting our society, national health and economy. It is a matter of concern that Tripura is badly affected by this drug abuse and trafficking. We are extremely happy that our Honorable Chief Justice is seriously concerned to eradicate the manage of drug abuse, trafficking of tablets and other substances, and to save the youth and the society as a whole by involving the legal services institutions in the state. We are grateful to your Lordship to guide us to prepare a project MUKTI and for kindly agreeing to launch this project. We welcome your Lordship. We will continue to seek same advice in future also to proceed further. Honorable Mr. Justice Fiyogwi, being the Executive Chairman of the Tripura State Legal Services Authority, is the head of this institution. Under whose active guidance, every activity of the legal services institution in Tripura is being carried forward. We welcome the Lordship to this memorable day. We are also happy to have a contribute to society in better way. Once again, I welcome each and every person present here. With this, I conclude. Thank you.
Thank you.